Okay, let's do one together. So let's say we have 6 times 2,355. All right, let's pull this number apart into expanded form. All right, how do I write 2,355 in expanded form? What is going to go right here above this first box? It's going to be 2,000 plus what goes here above this second box? 300 plus what goes here above this third box? 50 plus what goes here above this last box? 5. We're going to multiply 2,355. We're going to multiply that by what goes over here on the left-hand side? It's going to be by a 6. So now for each of these boxes, we're going to write our multiplication problem across. Okay, so this one is going to be what times what? It's going to be 6 times 2,000. This box is going to be what times what? It's going to be 6 times 300. This one is going to be what times what? 6 times 50. And this one, last one, is what times what? 6 times 5. Now let's actually solve them. All right, let's take a look at this first box. 6 times 2,000. Well, I know 6 times 2 is 12. So what's my final answer going to be? I need to add 3 more zeros. 12,000. Now, how about this one? 6 times 3 is what? 18. How many zeros do we need to add? What's the final answer going to be? 1,800. 6 times 50, or 6 times 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's 30, but add 1 more zero. What's the final answer for this box going to be? 300. And this last one again, 6 times 5 is 30. Now I have one more step to do with these 4 numbers. What's my last step? To add them all up. 12,000, 1,800, 300, and then 30. 1's place is 0, 10's place is 3, 100's place is 8, 9, 10, 11. 1,000's place is 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. 10,000's place is a 1. So final answer is 14,130.